From this equation, find out the value of x. First we can write this is, we can write this is, we can write 2 into 1 by 5, this is, and so this is, we can write by 5, and this 6. Now this x to the power 1 by 5, we take this a, so now we can write this is the a square minus this is the 5a and plus 6 is equal to 0. And now we can write this a square, and this is, we can write the 3a minus 2a, this value is plus 6, 0. And now this is a minus 3, and there is the 2a minus 3 0. So there is the a minus 3, take the common, so a minus 2 0. So we take a minus 3 is equal to 0, so a value is 3, and there is the a minus 2 is equal to 0, so there is the a value is 2, a value is 3, a value is 3. So there is the put the, is why a value is 3. So we can write the x, so this is the power of into the 5, so there is the value is 243. And now again the put the x to the power 1 by 5, this is 2, so the x is equal to, this is the power of 5, so this value is the 32. So we get the x value is this, or x value is this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.